Good morning. Welcome to another daily plan with me video. In this video, I will be planning out every day over the course of this week, and it is moving week for our family. We are just moving, not down the street, but not very far from where we live now, but we are moving from our apartment that we rent into our long-term home that we bought last month, and we are just also very excited and also very ready to not be living in the state of chaos that we are living in right now. If you've ever moved, like it's, boxes and like, do we need this in the next 4 days and whatnot. We got a lot of packing done yesterday, and I feel like we're in really good shape so that I can really focus on work today. And hopefully, I don't know. I feel like this coffee is not quite kicked in yet. Let's put it that way. So it is Monday. If you want to see me actually plan out this week, that was last week's video. So I planned out this week and talked more, obviously, about our plans and what's coming up. And then this video will be every day this week. I mentioned in that video, I do not know, obviously by the time you're watching this, you'll know how many days it's going to include. Usually my daily plan with me's go until at least Thursday, but I also typically work Thursdays. Thursday is the actual move. It's still possible that I get up and film a plan with me that morning, or this may or may not include Friday, although the weekend is completely unpacking, and we don't actually have any scheduled things. Like all of the scheduled people coming to do things or whatnot is on Thursday. So although never say never, one of the renovation things we're doing is our powder bath. And it was supposed to be all done and fine, but the vanity got delivered with a giant crack in the top. So that's not going to be done, and they will come install it once it's arrived. And we don't know what that timing is like. So I guess that could happen next weekend. Okay, I feel like I'm nervous rambling. I did not sleep well because of nerves. I had some weird dreams. I kept waking up, and it's just big moments, all the things. So let's get the basis of my planner set up. Obviously my morning routine, which we are in the middle of. I'm interested to see, I was thinking about this morning, is how my morning routine is going to change once we move. I was thinking, I clicked start on it this morning. I use an app called Routinery, which I've talked about before. And I was thinking about something I wanted to change on it. And I was thinking, well, you know what? In a couple of days, it's probably going to change a lot. There's probably going to be definitely things that are different. I do think one of the things that I'm assuming might have a big impact on it, because going back and forth between rooms and stuff is going to look different, is that we are moving into a place that has 3 stories. We have a basement, we have like a main floor, and then the bedrooms and the bathrooms upstairs. And so right now I go back and forth between rooms a lot. I don't know, maybe I will go up and downstairs. Maybe I'm overthinking it. That's probably what I'm doing. Okay, Laken, just focus on the video at hand. Let's get these things down. I planned for the week and filmed that weekly plan with me video yesterday afternoon. And so not shockingly, nothing has changed. My plan is exactly the same as it was before. My communication, weekend recap, prep the call for tomorrow, prep next week's videos, do the newsletter for next week, and then do the accountability buddy stuff. The one thing that may have changed, or I'm kind of thinking about a little bit, is, like I said, we made really good progress on packing yesterday, to the point that there's not really anything we can pack until the last second, Wednesday night, Thursday morning. So I am going to go ahead and write event. Oh, dropping things. We're going to see how long this stuff takes me, but if I have extra time, I want to go ahead and get a head start. I want to go ahead and get a head start on the things I can, and, just to leave more time later in the week for stuff. So, all right. And then I guess tonight I will do my PM routine. There's no football, there's no nothing tonight. So that is nice. I can get to bed early, and I'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. Yesterday did not go as planned. I'm not going to get into it here, but we had a family situation happen. And so this is all I got done yesterday. And everything else got pushed to the wayside, which it is what it is. It just means I need to really buckle down and focus today. I also completely forgot that I volunteered. I remembered this as I was lying in bed last night. And I guess it never made it to my Google Cal. And thank God my brain pre-bedtime was like, hey, remember that you have this tomorrow. I volunteered to read a book at Lila's daycare tomorrow at 4. or today at 4. Oh my gosh, you guys, this coffee's not working. I'm very tired. Okay. It's just like, I don't know. This is not the week for us to have other things popping up, but that is where we're at. So it is Tuesday and I need to get focused. I am going to finish going through my AM routine, but I'm not going to worry about working out. It's not a priority today. All the other stuff that I have to get to is a priority. And so if I could make any headway on that this morning. Also, I just grabbed the same shade of blue. Typically I try to like change it up and use a different color, and I did leave these markers out. These are not packed, the whole set, which I know I've talked about these before. I love them. They are much less expensive than the Zig Dot ones. There's pros and cons. The biggest pro for me is the color. They're just so much brighter, and I love a bright color. It makes me so happy. So that's my biggest driver for using these over the other ones. So let's go ahead and get the timed things down. We have the community call today at 12, and then it's not going to take probably 30 minutes, but I don't know how long it takes to I show up and we get settled and then blah, 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 all the things. So I'm excited. Although part of volunteering to read a book is you're supposed to bring one of their favorite books. And we've packed most of her books. We left some out, obviously, for the week. Like we packed the majority of them on Sunday. And so I need to look at the ones that we kept out and see if any of those feel right for us to share with her class, or do I need to go ahead and unbox that box because I wasn't thinking, or maybe there's a book at my mom's house. It's just, my brain is going a million miles a minute. It's just one of those times. I'm sure some of you can relate. There's just like those periods of life where your brain just feels like there's a million things going on. And yeah. Okay, so let's talk about all the things that I did not do yesterday because life happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's add, the prepping the call is like literally the most important thing, but I will get to it. Once Lila gets to daycare today, I can completely just focus. So let's see if I can get these, like everything but the event done before the call would be great. So communication, prep the call. The only thing I was going to work on today was getting the event stuff. And so that just may have to either happen this afternoon. And I really would like to go to Costco though, because it's one of those Costco trips where I think it will be so much easier. We can obviously take Lila with us to Costco. My mom and I have done that a number of times. And especially when there's tasting things, Lila's a big fan of Costco. But I think for this trip where I'm really just trying to like stock up on stuff for the new house, toilet paper, paper towels, like that kind of stuff, it will just be easier if we don't have her. I just think if I don't get to some work stuff and I have to do work stuff later in the week, that will be better than trying to do Costco later in the week. I don't know if I am making any sense this morning, y'all. Okay, so let's do this stuff. And then after the call, we'll get the replay up and I'll do as much as I can on the event stuff. And then I almost wrote Costco there. That's not what I meant to write. Okay, event. Look, I very easily changed that almost a C into an E. Okay, and then here in this middle window, we will go to Costco before I need to read at Lila's school. And then this evening, I don't know, we'll see. I may try to do some work after Lila goes to bed. Yesterday, I could not even fathom that. I needed to just go to bed myself. And then of course I woke up all stuffed up. You can probably hear it. Just one thing after the other. Okay. I don't have any other small to-dos. I didn't really have time for any to pop up yesterday. So we'll see what happens, but there is the plan for today. Hello, good morning. This has been one of those weeks where it just seems like everything is coming at us from every angle and everything. So let's go ahead and get today planned out. This is what I kept all my markers out in my little pencil pouch. What's funny is I picked the dimensions of this pencil pouch when I designed it to hold the Zig Dot markers because I was using those consistently and I wanted a longer pencil pouch to accommodate that. And now I don't use those, but I also use one of these pencil pouches for my makeup brushes. So I do like the long size. Okay. One of the things I consistently do is I use the pink one on Wednesdays. It's very mean girls of me. Okay. Oh, y'all. So let's keep this over here. As you can see, I did not get everything done yesterday. The family things that are going on carried into yesterday, but some decisions were made and we definitely made some progress on things. But it kept me again from work. So today I'm really gonna have to hunker down and finish stuff because even though like in my head, right, this video isn't going live till Monday. The newsletter's not till Monday. The buddies don't technically have to be out till Saturday because I promised them by the 1st. Like the event emails are going out on Saturday, right? In my head, I have wiggle room. Like it's not stuff that has to be done today. I have until Saturday, Sunday, Monday. But 2 things. Number 1 is Sam, my husband's actually leaving on Saturday to go out of town. Again, we're having a family thing going on and we've booked flights. Lila and I don't leave until next week, but Sam leaves Saturday. So starting Saturday, I don't have Sam. Number 2, I know myself and I know that as soon, these are not straight at all, but that's the morning that we're having. As soon as I'm at that new house, y'all, I am not going to want to think about work. I am not going to want to sit at my computer during Lila's nap and schedule out emails. I am going to want to unpack boxes and get settled and hang picture frames and turn that house into our home. And I just know that. I know that about myself. So what that means is I have to focus today. I have to get all the things done that I need to get done, which is a lot. Okay. So let's just start by labeling these headers. Easy step 1. First things first is my AM routine. And then I think I am going to take the 20 minutes to work out because I think it will just be good for my mind and good for my body. And it's 20 minutes. And in the grand scheme of things, what is 20 minutes? Then before we jump into the work stuff, my mom and I this afternoon are planning to start to move some of the stuff to the new house, the stuff that is either too fragile, and I don't want the movers to deal with it, or stuff that they won't move, like alcohol. That's really the only thing they won't move. Everything else is my decision. But things like my printer, could I have packed up my printer and safely in a box and all the things? Yeah. But is it also easy for me to just throw in a laundry basket and put it in my mom's car and drive it over? Yeah, it is. So I have a whole long list of all these little things. I don't anticipate it actually taking us more than 1 car trip of these little things that I want to move, but it's going to be more than 1 trip from the cars, from the apartment to the car and from the car to the house. You know what I mean? So the first thing I need to do today is, I'm going to call it organized stuff because it's in a bunch of different rooms right now. And so for simplicity, I'm going to get it all out in the living room so that my mom and I can easily get it into the car. So that's the first task I'm going to do today is get all that stuff organized, and that will just make my brain feel better. Then actually, let's get 2 other things out of my brain. I need to go get my dad a birthday card. I'm such a dummy and did not leave the birthday cards out there in a box somewhere. So I need to go grab him a birthday card. My dad's coming this weekend to help with house stuff, which is super, super nice. And I'm very, very excited. And his birthday was last week. And so I kept saying I'm going to give him his gift in person when he gets here, but I don't have a card. And then we need to get cash to tip the movers. I think I'm going to have Sam do this. I think I'm going to put that on his list, but I just want to get it down. Dang it, I could have sworn there was one more personal thing, and now I forgot. Okay, it doesn't matter. All right, so, whoa. Okay, most importantly is we've got to prep the live, and then communication. And then the next most important thing is I need to redo the calendar. Because of these flights, I have to change some stuff up about the community call. So I need to switch that around. And then, these all aren't going to fit because I need to do all of them. Let's go ahead and do it this way so they all fit before the live. Again, I don't know that I'm going to get to all of them before the live, which is fine. But video, newsletter. I started the buddies yesterday, but I did not finish pairing them off. And then the event stuff. I also, this task specifically is going to get simplified. I originally had planned to do a whole sales page for the event with lots of details and pictures and all kinds of things. That's not going to happen. This is going to be bare bones, get the link ready to go, get the email scheduled, and it's going to be what it's going to be. And that is life. Okay, and then the live is from 12 to 1. And then afterwards, I need to do the recap. And then I think my mom is going to come over at 2. So I have a little bit of time here, depending on how long this takes me to continue to work on stuff. And then honestly, I don't know how long this is going to take. I wanted to give this plenty of time. Maybe we finish it quickly and I have a little bit of time to work before I need to go get Lila from daycare, but it's not the priority. Then we'll go get Lila, we'll come home. We're definitely planning to order takeout today. We've done a really good job. I made like a crock pot meal on Monday or on Sunday, and that has carried us through from a leftover standpoint, as well as we've been kind of like going through the stuff in our freezer. But we are going to order takeout tonight from one of our favorite places around here. Again, we're not moving that far. I feel like I've said that a lot. So in reality, like anywhere we can order from takeout here, we can order from takeout at our new place, but we're being dramatic. And then when Lila goes to bed, I have to work. I have to get some work done because I know that there's no way. Like, this stuff has to get done today. It just does. And so that might mean a late night for me, but I'm writing it down to hold myself accountable that as soon as Lila is in bed, I am back at this desk. Well, I got to figure out what to do with this desk. Actually, that is on the list for today. I was waiting until after my live. I could maybe put this on Sam's list for like in the morning or something. Every other piece of furniture in this apartment, we are either planning to take with us or we have sold it and it is gone. The desk is the exception because I wanted it today for the live, and I'm not trying to sell this desk because you can't even see it's got stains on it. And it was not an inexpensive desk, and they would have to take it apart to get it out of the apartment. And I'm not like about to have people in here like taking apart things and whatever. So I'm not trying to sell it, but it has to get out of this apartment today. Okay, that's the plan. I think I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. There obviously was a world, I know I talked about it, where I definitely am not going to make a plan for tomorrow, for Thursday, but Friday I was potentially going to film. Just with everything going on in our family life right now, I just feel like I feel like it needs to be done. I also feel like, this clip alone is 10 minutes long. So if I have been this rambly every morning, this is going to be a decently long video. So I am going to go ahead and end this video here. If you made it all the way to the end, please just comment with the flower emoji. I could just use some pretty flowers in the comments. So whatever your favorite flower emoji is, comment with that. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please click that subscribe button. I upload new videos every week focused on helping you achieve your goals. Thank you so much for watching.